Hey guys, on today's video, I'm teaching you how to transfer any information to your external hard drive or external SSD. So let's get started. So here's my external SSD. Now, if you guys don't see it on your desktop, you guys can make it be seen. Go into Finder on the top left hand side, and then go into Settings. Then go into your first option which says General, and just make sure show these items on desktop external SSD. So any external hard drives, anything external really, it's gonna appear there. Even your SD cards, if you guys plug those in, or any USB sticks. And since I just showed you this, just in case you guys don't see your external disks on your Finder as well, I'm just going to go into Sidebar. So that's your third option, and then down here below, you will see Locations. Just make sure you have a check mark under external disks. So what does that mean? That means when I go into Finder, so Finder is down here below on the far left hand side. This is Finder. Once I open up Finder, I should see on the left hand side Locations, Videos. Well, that's the name of my external SSD. For you guys, it could be any name that you guys set it up as. Then once you guys have this, or you opened it up from here, which is the exact same thing, you double click on it, you opened it up, and you guys can just transfer stuff by, for example, this document here. It could be anything really. It could be a picture, video, anything. Does not matter what it is. You guys can right click on it, then go ahead into copy. So you guys see this copy right here. Just tap on copy, go into your external hard drive and tap anywhere. Go ahead and right click on it, then paste item. That's gonna transfer that file here. There you go. So we just transferred it. Then you guys could delete it from here. However, keep in mind that if you delete it within your computer, wherever it is, this technically does not become a backup. It becomes your only file. So that's your only file and not really a backup. A backup's when you have 2 copies of it. That's just in case for those of you who are wondering about that. And if for any reason you're having issues with this, go ahead and right click right here on your external hard drive, external SSD, get information and see what permissions you've got. Make sure you are admin user. And then you should see this, sharing permissions, read and write. That's what you guys want. Everybody could be read only, doesn't matter. But as long as you guys have this, so it says me on it, me, read and write, you're good to go. If it doesn't, you guys need to change that up. Make sure it's on read and write, because if it's on read only, that's the problem. So you do not want that. You do not want read only, because then you won't be able to go on and copy stuff into it. So make sure it's read and write. And yes, if this is a new external hard drive, or external SSD, you should properly format it, which means we go into disk utility. And also if you're having more issues with it. So go on the top, you guys are gonna see the spotlight search, just tap on it. From your spotlight search, type in disk utility, open this up. And then from here, just go into, let me just close this up, that's internal, external. If you guys don't see external, make sure to view all devices. Then choose this, well, it's my videos, but you guys wanna choose the first option and format this. So I do have another video that explains how to format this for your Mac with Time Machine and all that stuff. However, we're gonna keep this simple. What you guys want to choose is erase. We'll delete everything from your external SSD, external hard drive. So everything within it will be deleted once you do this, properly format it. And for those of you who want this to work with Mac, here it go. Use this, or even use Journal, is fine too. exFAT would be for something to work with both Mac and PC. For most of you, you guys want that because you guys want to transfer stuff between the two. But you guys have all those options. You guys can name it anything you guys want, and then just click on erase, and it's gonna delete everything within it. And then finally, you're gonna be able to copy and paste anything to and from your external SSD, external hard drive. And that's something that you guys have to do if you guys kind of screwed up at the start and you guys never properly formatted this, and maybe even installed software that's technically useless on your Mac in order to handle these external hard drives or external SSDs, which is not good, by the way. Those programs are always outdated. Sometimes they don't work, sometimes they crash, sometimes they don't work with the latest Mac OS. They bring a lot of problems. So that's why I'm teaching you that. But anyways, that's how you guys can copy and paste anything from and to your external hard drive. However, let's say you guys want to delete something and properly delete it, then go ahead, tap on that, and move to trash, or command delete will also do that. Once you delete it, make sure to empty out your trash bin, empty it whole way, and then it's completely gone. If you guys don't empty it, it's not 100% gone. So just make sure you do that. All right. And if you guys want to delete stuff from your external hard drive, external SSD, because you're gonna sell it, make sure to delete everything using disk utility, which I just showed you a minute ago. So again, using disk utility, you guys will delete everything from within it, just format it, and there you go. That would be the secure way to do that. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.